In this video, I'll show you how you can purchase an arena in GTA Online. Now the arena basically allows you to customize cars like these ones. So all you have to do is bring up your phone by pressing the up arrow on the keyboard. If you're on console, press the up arrow on the D-pad and then select internet. And then from here, you should find the arena here. If not, simply select travel and transport and then select arenawar.tv. And then from here, you should see an option of buy arena. So for me, I already bought it. That's why it's giving me the renovate workshop. So from here, you can choose the office style, the workshop graphics, and all the other options. And then once you're satisfied, simply select buy now. And then from here, you can simply go back to the map and then navigate to this icon, the arena workshop. So navigate to that and you can now enter to your new arena. So let me enter in. And there you go. You can now see you have access to your arena and you've bought your arena and now you can access it from here. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.